Hi guys, today I'll be doing my chemical gold dissolving with using cheapest what you can get. It's potassium nitrate. See in the middle, potassium nitrate contains potassium nitrate. So we'll be dissolving gold with this one. This on the internet costs $5. This costs $16 for 1 pound. It's all the same thing actually, but I don't know, people scared to use it, but right now I want to show you something. So let's say I have formulas for this one. So this is formula. Sodium nitrate plus hydrochloric acid, it makes me nitric acid. You see, this is formula. And right now I get another formula. I got potassium nitrate, hydrochloric acid, and again I see nitric acid. So guys, why are using those chemicals? Because they create, when you put in hydrochloric acid, they create nitric acid. So you know how expensive nitric acid is, and how cheap is my stuff, what I'm using. And let's say I can tell you one thing: when you using nitric acid, you get all those brown gases, which one is very dangerous, because when you creating aqua regia, you get very strong solution, especially when you using concentrated acids. You're getting very strong solutions, which ones you don't even need to dissolve half a gram of gold, or not even less. So what's happened when you dissolving all those golds and everything? When you don't have enough nitric, the nitric, how say it, is in those chemicals, and it dissolves the gold. Extra, what's left in solution when you be boiling, goes in the air, which one you breathing. So keep in mind, that is a very dangerous stuff, and it can kill you very easy. But if you use just a little amount of these things, you don't get those brown fumes, which ones can kill you. So and another thing, you know what kind of air you breathing? Air contains 78% nitric dioxide. What you make from this one and 20% oxygen. That is I just took it from internet because you guys maybe don't know what you're breathing. So if you not create a lot of nitric, you don't have those gases which one can kill you. So why I'm sitting in the garage and I don't get killed? I'm still alive, and I don't have fumes. Brown fumes, what you using when you using nitric acid, you get all the time nitric, those brown fumes. And this is dangerous stuff, guys. If you don't know what you're doing, please stop doing that. You don't need that gold. You don't need that gold. When you die, you don't need nothing. So stop using dangerous stuff. If you want to get some gold and still be alive, use those kind of little things and you'll be fine. Okay? We'll be using those two rocks. They contain some gold, but it's not a lot, just a little bit. But I want to show you how this potassium nitrate works. Okay, just making video just for you guys to see, because you don't need to nitric acid when you can get cheapest thing on the internet, potassium nitrate. It's just $5 on the internet and dissolves gold very easy. Potassium nitrate. Okay, so right now I'll be transferring potassium nitrate to my another bottle. Don't stay in here or stay on the table. And I be going to crush those two rocks. They contain gold, but it's not a lot, but it's okay for experiments. Fine. So look how they look, and say bye bye, because I be crushing them to small pieces to dust, and we be recovering gold from them. Okay, rock, and I decided don't crush all the way, because this one piece don't have nothing, is guaranteed. Our this one, all the gold is in. Or here, you see that tiny one, so tiny one, and here we need to take it out, just that all what is in the brown solution surface. So this I checked with the microscope, I didn't see nothing. Okay, so I don't even want to work with him. So, and I be taking from this rock just this all brown stuff, and this side everything else in the middle I just throw away, because there's no point destroying them if they don't have gold. Okay guys, you need to figure out where the gold is on your rocks, because another way you'll be just wasting a lot of time, energy and money. So all gold is in this brown stuff over here. You see how thick? So more thicker, the more bigger gold is there. So okay, right now I'll be still going take all this brown stuff out, and then we be crushing little amount as possible. We don't need a lot. We don't need to. I don't have rock crushers and everything. It's too much energy it takes to crush that quartz, because they don't have gold inside. Gold is on this. Well, you see the line? So this is on this area, gold is. This one white is nothing there, nothing. Don't even take it. What here, maybe we can take it, this all brown stuff too, because microscopic gold. But in this white stuff, quartz is don't have nothing. I look in the microscope, I don't see not even speck of gold. Here, I right away see some gold. Okay guys, I'm continue. I just wanted to show you something. So I wish you understand what I say. That much material. This is little bit bigger. Want to check, and this is smaller material. I don't pan, because I saw a lot of gold goes with the dust, so I be dissolving everything like you see. And I checked few pieces, I saw the gold, so that means we have some gold inside. Okay, all those rocks, those two rocks, I have still bigger material left, but I later on will see how much we get from this. If I get something, then I use it. If not, no point. So best have little possible material to dissolve. So I split in three different fractions, because this is the smallest one, and this is like dust. Remember, when you panning, you get dust. This is 100 mesh material, and this is what's left, bigger one. So I don't think so there is a lot of gold, so we do it this way. So right now I throw this juice out and start filling up with the hydrochloric, put the heaters, and we put potassium nitrate today. We'll see how everything works. Transferring all those to bigger container, because it's better have this way, then I can easily use it. And we starting adding very little amounts. Let's say this is not even maybe enough for that one, and for that one. That's it. This is very little amount of gold, so no point even adding more. Okay, and we put in hydrochloric acid right now. Again, we don't use a lot. Hydrochloric acid, like this, like that, and like this. That's it. And now we're putting on the heater. All those need to be heated, and spin it and everything else. Okay, changing color, so we don't need to overheat. Right now I turn it off, let him work like this. It's like need to just start boiling, that's it. And as long as you don't see brown fumes coming, everything is fine. Okay, because overheating, extra heat, we don't need it. So we can already try to do the test. This is 100 mesh. It's microscopic gold, and this is bigger gold. And we'll see what we have. Okay, where's my pipettes? Let's put for test stannous chloride. We're dropping one here. Boom, is something. Boom, is little bit. Boom, all three have a gold. You see how easy. And now you see, follow those spots, you can decide how much gold we have in which solution. So it looks like 100 mesh is the richest one. This one is the richest one. This is less, and this is almost nothing. So like I said, 100 mesh is the best to have a 100 mesh screen and separate. So right now I just wait for a little bit till reaction stops, and then I'll be putting everything together and we do participating precipitating, or how they call it. Reaction stop, and I throwing out all juice to this container to stay for a while, because it's a lot of, I see a lot of silver in this rocks, because all you see is not even clear. So you need to wait till it settles down everything, and then we filtrate and precipitate. Bottle of yellow juice with a lot of silver chloride. I can't filtrate right away. We need to wait till everything settles down, then we filtrate. Another way that takes forever. Decided to put some urea at the same time. Let him work over there. You see, a lot of nitric. See? And we use potassium nitrate. And they say nitric is in the water. Yeah, a lot of nitric. Need to put more. Potassium is good. Works good. And you see on the bottom everything settles down. So right now I put urea, and we don't have problems anymore. For after 1 hour or 2 we can do filtration and precipitation. Here we can do stannous chloride test. It's the same solution. I can put it from there too a little bit. So, and let's see, do we have gold in solution? Yeah, we have gold, but very little amount. After urea normally is like this, but nothing compare what I used to get when, remember, black spot? Here is gold, but very little amount. Those rocks what I right now dissolve it, they don't have a lot of gold. So looks like we finished filtrating. Now we can get ready, transfer everything in one place and do precipitation. Solution, you see, became clear. Not so much, but you can see cross. Okay, now we do precipitation. So we starting turning on power supply, and we start going up with voltage till we see 5 amps at least. So we have 2 volts, 6 amps, and here we see right away changing the color, a little bit getting brown, and this side and this side. So solution slowly changing color, you see, getting dark. So we keep it like for 5 or 10 minutes, and then we wait another 3 hours till everything settles down. Right now we're participating, you see this, everything gets brown, and bottom is still light. So that way we do participation. So now we just keeping. We see 2 volts, 6 amps. It doesn't matter as long as this can handle amperes, that your power supply, and that's it. It's my 6 amps holding steady. Oh, now we see red light came, which means it's getting, need to lower it a little bit. Now 1 volt, 6 amps is too much, 5 amps is good. So you see solution became brown, and I keep another 5 minutes and we be done with this thing. When you see the solution changing color, means you have gold in solution. If color not changes, means solution don't have any gold inside. Keep in mind that when you put 2 electrodes in the water, that solution, and you didn't see color change, means there no gold. Okay, remember that. I took my electrodes out, they both black ones, solution is brown. Now we just need to wait till everything falls down on the bottom. Right now it's still nothing, need to wait like 1 hour, 2 hours, and then we will see what's happening. This is not a lot of gold, and I just to show you guys new chemical what I'm using for dissolving. This is sodium, there's potassium nitrate, works good, and it looks like the same thing but a lot cheaper. So right now I be just waiting and see how much gold we got today. This is be very little. So you see, when I'm using those little things, I'm not getting poison gases, I don't have nothing, and safe. And I wish you guys use the same things. Don't use nitric acid, because you, at least you first learn how to do it. For refining, you need to use the nitric, but then you need to deal with the poisonous gases and everything. For little testing things, testing rocks and everything, it doesn't matter, use those, perfectly works. Okay guys, so let's wait for another like 2 or 3 hours and see what we have in the bottom. Like past 2 hours after this solution is still cloudy, and I just don't have time to wait. I need to show you what I have. This is all on the bottom, it's gold. So I right now putting this solution to another container, and I want to show you how much gold I get it, and the rest can stay for longer time. So you see solution is clean almost, but it's still cloudy when you have a big amount of dirt, and we have gold all the way on this bottom. It's not a lot, but there is still, you see, this is a gold. So right now I'm transferring this whole to another small beaker and let him still stay in solution. It's not a lot of gold, I told you. Oh, it's not even bigger pieces. Let him everything settle down. In the morning the solution be very clean, but I see it's still yellow, maybe some kind of different metals in the solution. Okay guys, so still You see how hard to get rid of the gold? It's still on the bottom is gold. Okay, need to see that what is on the bottom is our gold, and need another half hour till everything be settled down. So this solution I put him back and let him stay here till morning. And I think I reached my goal to explaining you something. So you see the gold. Let's. I see the brown, but it's okay. Let's see how much we have gold. This very little. You saw how little amount of rocks I crushed it, and this is very little amount, but it's a gold, brown gold. You see, brown powder. So what I want to say, this I let stay till the morning, and this I put add water. Yeah, let him stay. Let him stay like that. You see, solution have cloud of brown stuff, and when I put the water, all this gold. So no need to use everything what you see on YouTube. This is what I show you. If you do this way, you not get poison, you get the gold, and you not get killed. Okay, guys? This is dangerous stuff actually. If you do wrong way, you can get injured. Okay? So thank you for watching. See you next time. Give me questions what you need to I try to make video or something or answer the question, and you will learn with me everything what you need to know about the gold. Okay? Bye bye.